Hello, adorables. Welcome to my channel, everyone. I decided that I'm going to take a break from diamond painting for a quick minute. I can always do a small project on the side, but I want to work on this. And if this goes to the side while I do the little diamond paintings, okay. But I want to start it. It's the biggest one that I got. It's a Luna Magic House. And we're going to check it out now because I'm going to start it tonight. I probably should have painted my nails for working on this, but because I've been thinking about doing that too. This has been sitting behind me for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days maybe. Yeah, it could be that long. It's probably that long. All right. Here's the instructions. And this is what I have to do first. You see that right there? How for your vision, you see white and black, or at least white and dark gray, right? Well, I've already been in this box, and I thought these were all the same color, but they're not. They are very slightly different colors of light versus gray. Why won't it focus good? Come on. Come on. Show the people. There you go. Can you really tell? Well, under the light, I can really tell, but it's ridiculous, okay? Just saying. So what I have to do is there's little caps underneath, like kind of, it's a coating on the end of the wires. I have to take them off. And I have to twist together all of the gray ones by the end pieces. And all the white one by the end pieces. And then twist them onto the power pack. And tape it all together. I did not get this. I don't see that. It could be in there. I don't think I got a dust case with it. Okay, so package A. Yeah, that's what that is. Purchased additionally. That's not in there. Okay, what is this? That's the fiberboard. I hope that's for the floor because that's the thickest thing. And then, yeah, that. Okay, the glue wasn't in there, by the way. Okay, so this is, I don't know where it will go, but it's got some pieces in it. And this is the tub. And it's got some beads. And they're going to be like bottles or little, they'll put the light in there like this. Probably a light will come through there. I don't know. Maybe a chandelier. There's a treasure chest maybe. Corks. Okay. Here's some beads. This is all decorations for chandeliers. And here's a little birdhouse in there. This is going to be for some plants, some moss. This is the pack that the wires came out of and the battery pack. I don't know what anything's going to yet. So the tools, we got a 6-inch ruler and tweezers. Then here is all this stuff, this whole book of stuff is going to get cut out and glued onto all these things, which is going to get punched out and the stuff glued onto and then glued together, glued down. Okay, so we got floorboards and walls, windows. There's a lot of books. Be for shelves. Oh, here's a pantry shelf. That's sideways. But okay, so and then all these different things. There's an easel. Are they kidding me? So what do you punch this stuff out with? Well, it's on the roof. Don't worry about that one. Are these the books? I don't know. Maybe you're just going to cut those out and glue those onto... I don't know. I don't know. We will see that in the directions. Tables. Looks like a church. That's what I think of when I see it. That's thicker. What? I'm going to punch this out? Oh, yeah. Okay. That is way thicker, though. Okay, and this is the bottom board. It's the same on both sides. I don't know. I'm going to have to cut that out this size. I don't understand that. Why don't I just put that on? I don't know. It's the roof, though. It's the roof. Leave it alone. Okay. Put all the roof on the bottom. Roof and walls and all that stuff on the bottom. Put everything back in there. This is scary. This is scary. It's scary. What am I doing? If I start it, nobody else is going to want to finish it. People don't want to, you know, fix other people's messes in art. Either I'm going to do it or I'm not going to do it. I think I need to do it a little every day. Look at this. Isn't that cute? You didn't expect to see that cuteness right now, did you? He's on the moon, baby. This was a Temu gift. But you got to pay to be in it. And then this was supposed to be a mouse. And it looked like it had felt on the mouse. Nothing is felt. You don't make your own felt. What the hell is this? I don't know. And it comes with big long pins that are stuck all the way through the length of here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that stuff. No directions at all. A picture of a mouse on the inside. And a clasp. This is just fuzz. Pipe cleaners. How are you supposed to make that out of fuzz? Like, this is felt. What are you supposed to... I don't know. I don't know. How are you supposed to shape that? I don't know. You sew it? That's what I'm talking about. I don't know. It's ridiculous. But I'm alright with this one. Put them over there. It's the work involved in this. You know, it's like so many different things. The punching out part. So I guess I get one of those little scalpel knife thingies, because I've got a few. And there's different tips and everything. So, okay, so I got to punch all that stuff out. Then I have to glue paper on it. Like, how thin of a coating of glue do you need to put on little tiny strips? I don't know. Maybe you don't need Look at the picture again. Yes, look at the picture again. So there's no paper on here, right? Well, it kind of looks like somebody painted over it. The stairs. I am second guessing this. Why? You're not incompetent. You could do it. No. No. I'm already having a problem telling the wires apart. This is tiny little stuff. I don't like the directions. It doesn't tell you. Okay, on day one, it should be like the book of Genesis. It's not. Where it starts, okay, it doesn't even, that's at the front. Okay, I'll give it that. But then you go back here after the inventory, and you're going to start here. And this is what you do. These are all the steps it takes to make this. Whoops. And what is this doing down here, though? That don't go in there. Well, then, okay, it tells me everything that I need to do. Take a small amount of D36 and cut them into pieces. So that's that fuzzy stuff in the bag that now I don't want to find. Must be. Where was it? In the bag? It's already out of the box. And that's going in these jars. So, okay. Why does that look like there's a light going through there? There's not. No, that has to go. That's going to wrap around. Oh. What is that? That is B6 and B1 are those things. Oh, shit. Well, just find what you need. Just find what you need. You're going to do this. Find pieces just for that. One little desk right there. That's just for that one little desk. That don't have anything to do with the house. Where does the house come in? This is just for a little desk. Oh, this is all the furniture got to go in. You got to make all making the furniture first. Okay. Okay, get mental about it. You're going to get the lights ready and you're going to make the furniture first. Little mailbox. Yeah, as if that's going to work out for me. Look at how that wraps around there. We're going to make it. We're going to make this freaking thing. I don't have a dust box. I thought it came with the dust box. There's a doggy bed or something. I don't know. Stools. So when do you start making the house? Where's the actual house at? I gotta do all the furniture first. That's a lot of furniture, man. That's a lot of furniture before I even get to the house. Here's a cape. Oh, witch's wand and staff and broom. Very interesting. And crystal balls and her potions. Her cats. Look at all these cats. So she's gonna have 4 cats. And easel. Here go the lamps. And which ones will have lights in them and stuff. So maybe I could like skip ahead and get all the lamp things kind of in there. Well, no, that wouldn't make sense because then they'll fall off. At the end of the book is when you put everything together. Oh my God. Oh my God. We just had a heart attack here. Because, okay, now you're cutting out the papers and putting them all together. This is where you start cutting out papers. The thing I like to do that part first is like cut the pieces out and put the, oh no, this is where you're assembling stuff in the right rooms. You have to glue them in the right room. Where did they put this wall up? Well, it says right here. Stick A1, turn it over, and stick four C7s to make this nook. What are the squares on there? What are the squares about? What is that saying? That's the base? I don't know what that means. What are the squares all about? I don't know. Go back one. Here's stairs. Stick the wood according to the instruction on A1 and penetrate the lamp line into C12 hole. What you talking about, Willis? Okay, here's a hole and a whole bunch of lines right there. Is this, what is that? What is going on here? What is going on here? Align it evenly. Let's put this one. Oh, okay, so they're going to use the lamp line to put little notes on. They're going to hang them up. It's going to run on top. With this, how is that one going up? It's coming through a hole. See, that's very complicated as to where the hell am I putting lights at and running it through there. Here's a hole. Things are going. So this door might be just, let's see, here's another image here. Where you keep the battery pack, maybe. I don't know. Why? Because he's in the kitchen there. You could see it. Well, that's why the door would shut. Like right there. And then these are left on the top for the next floor. Oh, Mama. Mama. Got a problem here. This is a sad day for me because I don't know if I'm going to get the lights in there. Am I really going to do the lights? Like, why not? Because it looks really hard. It looks very complicated. I don't have that cover. That would be nice to put it in a cover. And here's pictures of what it should look like when it's done. I don't see any wires. So there are holes in, well, there's holes in this. This goes on, this must be the floor. And there's holes, so they will pop up through there. So the hole's got to be in the wood. As long as I see the hole. I'm starting to think it sounds like I'm dragging the video out now because I don't want to go start working on it. Because it sounds like a nice idea, doesn't it? Sound like a nice idea. I don't think it's a great idea anymore. It does sound like a nice idea. Glue these little things together and make a cute little table. We're going to do the furniture first. So just chill out, and we're going to make this one little thing is all we're going to worry about. One step at a time. Well, okay, so this is the trouble I've gotten myself into, and I'm going to go do the wires now, okay? At least connect them to the battery pack. and have one string. Why don't I just, I do. Hold up. Okay, I have these. Because why not? Why not? You can shove it up in there. Can I? Why not? You just shove it right up in the hole. Whatever hole I give you. Shove it up in the hole. Yeah. And it'll be blue. Ha 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 ha. Problem solved. And I just wrap this back up. Because it just feels a little overwhelming. Like, I don't care. I don't care enough to do that. I don't want to. That's not fun time. If I change my mind later, I will change my mind later. But for right now, we're just going to go with these blue ones. And my house will be more unique because it'll be a nighttime house. Okay, so that's that problem solved. See, do things the easy way. And we'll find out how bad it doesn't work later. But for now, we're just going to stick with that's a good idea, okay? All right. All right. Peace out, adorables. God bless.